Hi everyone! In this tutorial you'll learn how to crochet this small three-dimensional leaf. For work you need some yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over the hook twice and join the chain in the round by making a treble crochet stitch into the first chain stitch. The foundation ring is ready. Now begin the first round. Work into the foundation ring. First, single crochet, then chain 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Treble crochet into the ring, yarn over the hook twice to work the treble. Then continue chain 1 for the chain space and double treble crochet into the foundation ring. Yarn over the hook 3 times to work the double treble. Again, chain 1 and triple treble crochet into the foundation ring. Yarn over the hook 4 times to work the triple treble stitch. Continue, repeat the same chain 1 and again triple treble crochet into the ring. Then chain 1 and double treble crochet. Now chain 1 and treble crochet into the foundation ring. Continue chain 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3 and single crochet into the ring. Here we have made the foundation for our leaf. These different tall crochet stitches are the base for the next round, where we will work around the posts of these stitches. So let's continue the first round. Into the foundation ring, single crochet 2 more. 1 and 2. Then chain 7 to make the leaf stalk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now slip into each chain stitch in a row, starting from the second chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the last chain stitch 6. Then single crochet twice into the foundation ring. 1 and 2. Now complete the first round by making a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. The first round is ready, and here what we have. Now let's start the last second round. Make a slip stitch into each of next 3 chain stitches of the chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Then single crochet into the next treble stitch of previous round. Then continue chain 2 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, and now I'll continue working around the post of this treble. So Turn the work for your convenience and first make 7 unfinished doubles working around the post of the treble. Begin the first double, work it like you would until you have 2 loops on the hook. Do not complete the stitch. 1, continue the same, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, 7. Hold all 8 loops on the hook and continue make 2 unfinished trebles working around the post of the same stitch. 1 and 2. 10 loops are on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Repeat 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Work till you have 1 loop on the hook. The first segment of our leaf is ready. Now continue and single crochet into the next stitch of previous round, into the double treble. Then chain 2 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, and again work around the post of this double treble stitch. This time first make 8 unfinished doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, let me do it once again, and the last double, 8. 9 loops are on the hook now. Hold the loops and make 2 more double trebles around the same post. 1, and 2. 11 loops are on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat 10 times. Work till you have 1 loop on the hook. Now the second, a bit bigger segment of our leaf is ready. Then to continue this round, skip the next stitch of previous round, this one, triple treble stitch, and single crochet into the next chain space of 1. Then chain 2 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, and now work around the post of the triple treble stitch we've just skipped. It is the triple treble, which is the first triple treble of previous round. So this time make 9 unfinished doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 10 loops are on the hook. Continue with 2 unfinished treble stitches. Work around the same post. 1 and 1 more. 2. Now again yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Repeat 11 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. One loop is on the hook. The third leaf segment is ready, and we have completed a half of our leaf. This is the front, and this is its back. Now let's continue this round and work the same around the post of the next triple treble stitch. Repeat. First make 9 unfinished doubles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 loops around the hook. Now make 2 unfinished treble stitches. 1 and 2. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Repeat 11 times. Work till you have 1 loop on the hook left. Now the fourth leaf segment is ready. Continue with a 3 chain picot. Chain 3, 2, 3. Turn the work to the back and work a slip stitch into the 4th stitch away from the hook, like this. The picot is ready. Continue chain 2, 1, 2. Now turn the work to the front and single crochet into the chain space of 1 of previous round that we single crocheted before. It is a chain space of 1 in between the triple treble stitches of previous round. I remind you, we are working on the front side of the leaf now. Here. Now continue and work around the post of the next stitch. The post of the double treble, this one. First make 8 unfinished doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 loops around the hook. Hold the loops and make 2 more double trebles around the same post. 1 and 2. 11 loops around the hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2. Repeat 10 times. Work till you have 1 loop on the hook. Now continue to complete this segment, chain 2, and then single crochet into the same double treble stitch that we've just worked around its post. Here is its 2 top loops, so we need to single crochet, but first chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet. Now, 5th segment of our leaf is ready. We need to continue and make the last small segment by working around the next post of the last treble. Work the same as the first segment. First make 7 unfinished doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, then continue with 2 unfinished trebles working around the same post. 1 and 2. 10 loops around the hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2 on the hook. Repeat 9 times. Work till you have 1 loop on the hook left. Now continue chain 2 and single crochet into the same treble of previous round that we've just worked around its post. Here, insert the hook and single crochet. Now all 6 segments are ready. Here how they should be. Now to complete the leaf, make a slip stitch into each of next following chain stitches of previous round. There are 3 of them. So slip into the next chain stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Now to complete the round, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. The tiny 3-dimensional leaf is completely ready. Now you can cut off the yarn. As you can see, we have 3 segments of the leaf that are coming to the right side of the leaf and 3 to the left. It looks like 3-layered leaf. This is its back and the front. For demonstration, I made the exact same leaf of light green yarn. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't miss our next projects.